morning to the students of class 7. Students, in today's class, I am going to start with the chapter 21, that is construction of quadrilateral. Let's work out 21. Question number 2, part A. The question is, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to 5.2 cm, BC equals to 6 cm, CD equals to 4.4 cm, AD equals to 7 cm and AC equals to 10 cm. So children, you can see that all the measurements I have taken, means I have drawn all the measurements with the scale. Alright, now we will start with the construction. At first, you need to draw the baseline. So children, for drawing the base, what we will do, we are going to take the AB as the base. So AB is given 5.2 centimeter. So children, at first we are going to draw the baseline in this way. Now, see, it is given in the question AB is 5.2 centimeter. So children, that means we will have to take the measurement of 5.2 centimeter using the compass. You will have to take the measurement in this way, then cut an arc of length 5.2 centimeter in this way. Alright. Now what you will do, you are going to mark in this way. This is A, this is B. Now we will have to draw BC. Children, it is given that BC is 6 centimeter. So what we will do, we are going to take the measure 6 centimeter. Then from B, you are going to place the compass over here, the pointer of the compass, then cut an arc of length 6 centimeter. Now, it is again given in the question that AD is 7 centimeter and also AC, which is 10 centimeter. So we are going to take the length 10 centimeter with the help of compass only. Then place the compass, the pointer of the compass at A, then cut over here. Alright, you can see this is extending. So once again, let me take BC 6 centimeter. Now place the pointer over here, you can extend the arc a bit. Now you have got the point C. So this is your point C. Alright. Now you can join this B and C in this way, and you can also join, you will have to join A and C, which is 10 centimeter, and this BC is 6 centimeter you are writing. Now since it is a quadrilateral, you need 4 sides. Alright, this is actually a triangle form, but you know that quadrilateral is a polygon having 4 sides. So another side, that is the vertex D, you need. So how you will construct that? Just look at the question. You have AD equals to 7 centimeter. AD is 7 centimeter. So that means you will have to, you place the compass, the 7 centimeter line. All these lines I have drawn using the scale. Okay, all the measurements has been taken using the scale. So you are going to place the pointer over here, and after that cut an arc. You are going to cut an arc over here. Again see children, it is given AC, sorry, you have CD, that is 4.4 centimeter. So the 4.4 centimeter you are taking the measurement and you are placing it over here and cutting, alright. So we can see that this arc, this AD arc need to be extended a bit. So what you will do, you are going to place the compass and take the measurement once again. And you extend the arc. Now children, see, from A to D, that is AD it is 7 centimeter, and from C to D it is 4.4 centimeter. So finally you are getting the vertex D. So now it is time to join the vertex, join the lines, that means AD and CD you are joining. Alright students, so finally you are getting the quadrilateral ABCD. Now you need to write all the measurements. See children, in CD you have 4.4 centimeter. So you are writing 4.4 centimeter, and AD is 7 centimeter. So you are writing this as 7 centimeter, and AB, here AB is 5.2 centimeter. Then after writing all the measurements, you are going to write the conclusion in the end. So you can see over here, conclusion has been written. Quadrilateral ABCD is drawn, in which you are going to write all the measurements as given in the question. AB 5.2 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, CD equals 4.4 centimeter, AD equals 7 centimeter, and AC equals 10 centimeter. Now students, you will have to construct a parallelogram JUMP, in which JU equals to 5.2 centimeter, UM equals to 4.8 centimeter, and JM equals to 7 centimeter. So children, here you can see that all the measurements 5.2 centimeter, then 4.8 centimeter and 7 centimeter, I have drawn the line. That means only using the scale and pencil you are going to draw the lines of the given measurement and then keep it aside. So let's start constructing the parallelogram using the scale and compass. So at first, as I have shown you in the previous construction also, you need to draw the base line. That means you are drawing the base line over here, right? Now see, you need the base, we are considering the base as JU. So the base JU is of measurement 5.2 centimeter. So I am taking this measurement using the compass. So what you will do, you are going to place your compass and cut an arc over here, which is of measurement 5.2 centimeter. So you are writing JU, that is 5.2 centimeter. Alright. Now, so this is done, JU 5.2 centimeter is done. So now you will have to draw UM, which is 4.8 centimeter. So that means again you are taking the measurement which is 4.8 centimeter. So children, you need to take the measurement 4.8 centimeter. So again you are going to place the compass over here, then take the measurement. So you are placing the pointer over here and cutting an arc of length 4.8 centimeter. Alright. Next, you have JM equals to 7 centimeter. So that means here children, JM, so that means you should have the quadrilateral of this form JUM. That means M must be over here and P should be over here. So again you are cutting JM, that is 7 centimeter. You are placing the compass over here, then cutting, that means taking the measurement, place the compass over here, then cut the arc. Alright. So finally you are getting the vertex M. Now you join J and M. You are joining J and M, and you are joining U and M also. Now one more thing children, you know that in a parallelogram the opposite sides are of equal length, right? You know this already, that this is a property of the parallelogram, that the opposite sides are of equal length and they are parallel to each other. Now that means what? In this quadrilateral, JU is 5.2 centimeter, so MP should also be 5.2 centimeter. So again you take the measurement 5.2 centimeter with the help of compass and then place the compass over here and cut an arc in this way. And this MU length should be equal to JP length, which is length 4.8 centimeter. So again you are taking the measurement 4.8 centimeter. You are taking the length 4.8 centimeter and cutting over here. Alright. So you have got this point which will be P. This vertex is P. So we have finally got the fourth vertex of the parallelogram. And then you are joining the vertex by drawing straight lines with the help of scale. Alright children, so now write all the measurements. So MU was MU or UM, whatever it is, both are same. This will be 4.8 centimeter. Then you have MP, which is 5.2 centimeter. Why it will be 5.2? Because we are drawing a parallelogram here, so opposite sides will be of equal length. And this is MU is 4.8 centimeter, so JP will also be 4.8 centimeter. So children, finally we have got the parallelogram JUMP. You are going to write the conclusion after drawing. That parallelogram JUMP is drawn, which is in which JU equals to 5.2 centimeter equals to PM. As you can see that opposite lengths are equal, and JP, which will be equals to UM, that is 4.8 centimeter, and UM, that is 7 centimeter. This JM, that is 7 centimeter. So you are writing the conclusion in this way. So children, keep in mind that while doing the construction, this will be JM, okay? This is JM. So in conclusion children, you will write all the measurements which are given as per the question. So children, before listening to the video, you are going to keep your geometry box ready. That means you must have the scale, compass, pencil, etc. And one thing to mention, that you are going to do all the constructions using the pencil only. You are not going to use the pen. Only for writing the conclusion part you are going to use the pen. So listen to the video, try to follow the steps, try to follow each and every steps which I have shown, and draw the following quadrilaterals. Thank you all for today.